Most videos don't show you the experiment, but just show you people talking about it.
When the photons are being watched, the wave pattern disappears. Take away the detectors and the wave pattern comes back. This suggests that we can change the way reality behaves just by looking at it.
Electrons are being fired toward a barrier with two holes in it, but the scientists can delay their decision about whether to observe the electrons until after they've passed through the holes, but before they hit the screen.
Expectation of 2 bands to, in this case, 5 bands, that represents the single greatest upheaval in our understanding of reality that the species has ever encountered.
I've seen this illustration in countless images and videos. The problem is, it's wrong. It's not what the double-slit experiment looks like.
There is a lie about the double-slit experiment that's told by everyone, from famous physicists to YouTubers, and even me, when I used to believe it.
Is that if we measure which slit the electron goes through, the interference pattern disappears.
Goes through, and it behaves like a wave, but then at the last second before it hits the screen, I open my eyes and decide to observe it.
At that moment, the electrons, in essence, become particles, and seemingly always were particles from the time they left the electron gun.
The modern answer is that the path taken by the photon is not an element of reality. We are not allowed to talk about the photon passing through this or this slit. Neither are we allowed to say that the photons pass through both slits. All this kind of language is not applicable.